Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you just two magical ingredients which will do wonders when combined together. In Ooty, usually what happens, babies, like when I get up in the morning, I feel really jammed, I feel really cold, so I go and bake myself in the sun, and here the scorching rays of the sun is freaking really strong, and yeah, but I feel good. Until some days back, I got miserably burnt, literally burnt. My skin on the forehead and on my cheeks was really scaling off, and it was quite bad. And I tried this remedy and I got instant results with not only reducing my tan, pigmentation and discoloration, it even healed my skin from the sunburn. So I really found these two ingredients magical, and I'm so happy that I made this combination and applied on my skin, because both these ingredients have loads of benefits. So before you go ahead with this remedy, please subscribe to my channel Princess Priyanka, and don't forget to hit on the bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. First ingredient we need is a slice of tomato. Tomatoes are great for the skin, babies. It has cooling properties which works as an astringent too. Because it is rich in vitamin C, it is super good to eliminate acne scars, blemishes, even to some extent freckles also. But then all these treatments need a lot of sunscreen also whenever you go out in the sun. Because it contains vitamin C, it is really good to brighten the skin, whiten the skin and make it even tone. When I say brighten, whiten, lighten, it just means it's going to reduce your tan, pigmentation, discoloration, uneven skin tone super fast. You're not going to become super white as such. That will never happen with homemade remedies especially. It is naturally acidic, so it reduces excess oil from the skin. Tomatoes are extremely good to shrink open pores. It is really good, babies. It's full of benefits for the skin. Even if you apply it alone by itself, it does wonders. Second ingredient which we need is hung curd, that means thick curd, which is ultimate for the skin, babies. I've already made a video full-fledged on it talking about the benefits. If you want to watch it, I'll put it somewhere on the screen. You can go and check it out. Basically, it is very good to improve your complexion, thus getting rid of your tan, pigmentation, discoloration, acne scars, blemish marks, and make your skin even tone. Only do wonders on your skin. Your skin will radiate like never before. Just in 5 to 10 minutes you will see a drastic difference, babies. It is super good, and you can apply this many times a day for faster results. It is good for all skin types, and you will only see good things happening after you use this. It literally heals your skin, both these ingredients, and makes it really good and radiant, nourished, healthy and so on. Now go ahead and see how to make it and how I apply it.
So here I take the slice of tomato and dip it in the curd and nicely let the curd get into the tomato and soak into the tomato, so all the juices get mixed nicely. And here I apply it on clean skin and give it a good massage for 5 minutes. Yes, babies, please keep that 5 minutes and massage very gently. It is very good to lighten your tan, pigmentation, discoloration, uneven skin tone, acne marks, wound marks also, and yes, dark circles also. And then after you massage it for 5 minutes or even 10 minutes, it depends on how much time you have, keep it on your skin for another 5 to 10 minutes or more, say about 15 to 30 minutes, just depends on how much time you have. The more time, the more benefits. And after massaging and keeping it on your skin, wash it off and you'll get a super soft and radiant skin in just so less time.
So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit a like and make my day. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, because you never know who it might help. And yes, see you later in another video very soon. Bye bye.